Guys, where are you? We're in Bacala.
No, mall.
What are you going to buy?
I don't know. I'll buy a light
Lights
for the Philippines.
for the Philippines?
Yeah. I buy
Okay.
this thing.
Ask Daddy which one. Wait, wait, wait. Let's go. Let's see the other one. Oh, that one. You have to get one for the mosquito. This one only. Daddy. Daddy, this one, Daddy.
I want the
Get
yellow
one.
one. I want the yellow one. I want
This one only.
this one.
Yeah. Go get one.
This for me. That's for you, Lubiter.
Wait. Not that one. Only down. You don't have money. Oh, not the open one. Choose the closed one. Not the open one.
This one is open.
Is it all open?
Yeah, I think it's all open, all of them. Everything is
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Only one. Go. Wow, that's oh, slowly.
Mama, I want yellow. I want yellow.
Click, choose which one. Check. That's orange. Put in the other side. The
Green. I want green. Green.
only one. No, we don't have money. Enough money.
This is, I want red, red. This is not red.
That one is nice, green.
But there's also yellow. Orange is almost same like yellow. Orange is same
Yeah.
like yellow.
Almost.
Yellow.
Maybe not available.
The yellow. My yellow.
Not that one.
No
Come here.
yellow. Oh, man.
This one is red, Rafael. This one red. Slowly, slowly.
Can you check for you? You give me all this. I want red. Yeah, I
Give me, wait. Get this one, get this one.
I want yellow.
No yellow.
Now it's blue. I change it.
It's so nice. Dapat ganyan na lang sa apartment. Magkano? Kasama na lahat yun. Stainless? Ha? Magkano, Daddy? This one is 2.5. Pa, complete na. Dapat sa taas sa mahogany, ganito na lang. Hindi na nagpa-tiles din. How much this one? This is so nice. Pa, magkano kaya to? Na nice, no? 2.5 yun, so maybe 5K, no? Dito pa rin kami nakapunta dito, eh. Ano kailangan mo pa? Pa, yung sabi mo, tester. Tsaka long nose. Here ang long nose, oh. Madam Bulinggit, how are you? Are you enjoying? Kasi tatay, magagawa ng tubig. Pantubig yan, tatay? Pantubig ho yan? Pantubig? Nagagawa ho kayo? Sa bahay nyo lang ho? Ay, wait lang, baby ko. Oo nga. Mahal sa kuryente pag tagas.
That's hard to hold it up.
Because it's so thick.
See?
Yes.
It's not. I almost did this.
What? Wait, I'm gonna show
I
you.
almost did the split. Look, I almost did the split. I fell.
Careful.
I fell and I almost.
Ah, look, daddy, oh. May mga gulong yung, di ba naghahanap tayo dati para sa luggage? Tatay, mura dito. Mura. Kaysa sa hardware? Ah, talaga ho? Ang galing. Mura talaga. Mura 5 peso. Thank you po. Mura daw dito, sabi ni tatay, kaysa sa hardware. Yung mga binibili niya, mura ng 5 pesos. Uy, matagal tayo bago matapos niyan. It should be the biggest one. Oo, daddy, oh. That ganyan. Ay, kamote. No, come here. Give way, please.
Kuya, Bibis.
I like green.
Hey, clean.
Let me go down.
Kung bisili naman kasi.
Do another one. Coins out of my ears, right there.
Sige, madumi yan. Put it there.
It's not.
Yun na.
I can do this. When I climbed up, I just did like this. Girls searching for money. Yada. Papa, I'm searching for money and I found 3 coins. See? That's how you do it. It's not dirty. I just got it. Let's go. Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Happy?
Look, black. Black, white, and white. Black, white, white.
Say hi. Hi, guys. Hello. Where are we going? We're in Aplaya. Huh? Okay. Where's your dad? You're so fast. Look, there's floating lights. Wait, stay. Let's go. Look, they're doing Zumba. Let's go. We're gonna buy taho. Magkano po?
May 10 pa, may 20.
Sige, 10 po.
10, dalawa pa?
So, come here. I'll show you. See, that's taho. It's soya. With a serum. Okay? You're gonna like them. Looks so yummy. Look at the see. And then there's sabon. Look at the Zumba guys. Oh, get mo, get.
Sa ngayon, parang ito, pag nagtakaw ka.
Pwede. Ada kape mo.
Sabi niya, bibigyan pa ni kahit bawa.
Ba.
Kahit bawa lang.
Look at the sun. See? Look at the sun.
Ay, kinabukasan mo lang yan ang sakit naman eh.
Careful with the ears.
It's raining from the sky. Thank you for piggybacking me. It's raining cold. It's raining. It's raining tacos from over the sky. Taco. Every last one.
See it.
Open up and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Sit.
Kontraktor, ang ganda ng motor.
It's raining tacos.
Kakabili ng motor.
Marami siguro tao.
Kontraktor na lang.
It's raining tacos.
Mahal man yung ilan.
It's raining tacos.
Yung si Brancia Pampanga. Naku.
Ha?
It's raining
Yung si Brancia Pampanga daw.
Wala pang